Do you know who Batman's strongest archenemy is? Ever since I got out of Arkham, I've come to understand this truth. I began to believe that people can lose their morality, the beast that was ultimately reduced to. So I planned this chaotic experiment on human nature. Batman and I are essentially both crazy, because we are just an illusion of mutual dependence. My name is Joker. I'm about to take you to a chaotic and dark world.